You just found the 2022 Honda Odyssey. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Take a close look at this Honda Odyssey. It's the dynamic family minivan that sets the standard for safety, comfort, and convenience. From its smart technology to its ingenious passenger luxuries and powerful performance, this family vehicle has your back. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, fog lamps, satellite radio. Your family deserves the best in safety and comfort. Take the Honda Odyssey out for a test drive today.